Welcome. I am Jessica Reynolds. FundReveal is a valuable assistant at your service. This demo will show you how FundReveal can help you.
Many advisors wonder, what is the use of looking at past total returns and ratings based on them? They want to plan for the future, not just dwell in the past. They want to invest in funds which have a higher probability of producing good returns in the future, irrespective of the past. The FundReveal tool helps you find such funds. It also automatically monitors your portfolio and shows when it's time to change the mix or rebalance. FundReveal uses proven MPT and efficient frontier methods correctly and in the way they were supposed to be used. Here's a typical risk-return comparison graph from a FundReveal report. The gray dots are showing the recent returns and riskiness of all funds. The graph is real. This is how mutual funds behave in their risk-return balance. Only some funds are showing higher returns relative to the market. Many high-risk funds are showing lower returns. There are 4 categories of risk-return balance. Funds with higher return and lower risk than market rated as A. Funds with higher returns but also higher risk than market rated as B. Funds with lower returns and lower risk than market rated as C. And funds with lower returns but higher risk than market rated as D. These 6 funds had shown a desirable risk-return balance in the last quarter. The 4 green symbols were funds rated as A. They had higher returns and lower risk than market. The 2 blue symbols were funds rated as B. They had higher returns but also higher risk. The risk-return balance of funds changes over time. In this graph, you can see their most recent risk-return behavior. Out of the previous A funds, only 3 continue to be A. They still have higher returns and lower risk than market. The 2 B funds that had higher returns are now rated as D. They have lower returns than market, at higher risk. How can you know if a fund's desired risk-return balance is persistent? Simply hold your cursor on a fund symbol and a window pops up to show its persistence ratings. They measure how persistent the fund's risk-return behavior has been in the recent past. This way, you can narrow down the initial list of 6 funds to 2 funds with these green symbols. Their recent rating is A. Their risk-return balance is desirable, and their persistence rating, PRA, is high. Our extensive research has debunked many conventional performance measures and rules of thumb used for managing mutual fund portfolios. For example, it has established that if you invest in funds with persistently higher daily returns and lower volatility, then you have a higher probability of getting higher total returns in the future. The FundReveal report also has other useful information, such as risk-return balance trends for sectors or indices, information that is useful for sector rotation and index investing. Want to see the power of FundReveal? Look at the results of different investment strategies which make use of FundReveal performance measures. These models run automatically. Their results are updated at the end of every new quarter.
Ready to use FundReveal? Or have more questions? Call toll-free at 888-308-5857, or better yet, send an email to support@fundreveal.com. Thank you for your time.